So this time we're given the graph, and we have to write the inequalities. Okay? So we're going to start with, let's start with this line right here. So looking at that line right there, it's a horizontal line, right? At -2. So we know that y is something to -2, right? Okay, is the region shaded above or is it shaded below?
Y is greater than.
Above, so it's going to be greater than.
Greater than or equal to.
And it has to be equal to because my line is
Solid.
Easy enough, right?
Yeah.
So then the next one, we want to write it in like y equals mx plus b form. So when we graph, which do we graph first? The b or the m? The b. So we figure out the y-intercept.
0.
So the y-intercept we know is 0 plus, to find my slope, I rise 1, run 1, right? So 1, which would just be x.
So y is less than.
And we know it's going to be less than because I shaded below. And do I have the equal sign? No, because it's dotted.
Yeah.
So those are my answers.
No.
Questions?
No.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, example 5 is very similar. Let's do this line first. What is this line going to be?
Y is less than or equal to.
0. Y is less than or equal to
0.
3.
3.
Okay, so I heard y is less than or equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if I graph that, my y-intercept is
It's
3.
X is equal. It's X.
X is yeah.
Good. It has to be x because it is a vertical line and the x's are always 3, right? And then we also do know it has to be less than because it is shaded towards the smaller numbers, right? Okay.
Y is
This one,
Y.
what's my y-intercept? -1 plus my slope. If I rise 1, do I meet anywhere? Okay, so then I rise another 1. Do I meet somewhere? Okay, so I rise 1, 2, and then how many do I run?
3.
So my slope would be, how many did I rise? 2, and I ran 3x. So y is, did I shade above or below? So it would be greater than. And it's a dotted line, so I don't have my symbol. My equal to.
Gotcha.
Question. Okay, let's practice some on your own then. Let's see. Number 6, go. Tell me the equation for this one.
X.
X is what? X is what? X is less than 3. Do we agree? Okay, because this is 3, and then it's shaded that way. I agree. Jaden, tell me the equation for this one.
Y is
Less than what? 1x plus 2. Do we agree?
I disagree.
What do you disagree with, Callie?
I feel like the 1 should be negative.
She feels like the 1 should be negative because it's going down 1, then over 1.
Wait, so how do we know like
How do you know what?
like so on these dotted ones is it always gonna be like a 1 and 1?
No. It's, you just have to count the slope.
I know that.
So you have to count it. It'll be different for all of them. It just happened to be.
Can you show me a dotted one that's not gonna be like 1x?
That's not going to be 1x.
Yeah. That would be
So if I put a dot here, and then I go down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1.
Oh yeah, that's great.
That one. Because my slope, if I look at it, I don't meet anywhere there, I don't meet anywhere there, then I finally meet at a corner. Good question. Okay, let's see. Try the next one, number 7. Okay, so if I was writing this one, my y-intercept is what?
1.
1. And then, Michaela, what is my slope? 1 over 1, 2. Yes. X, and then it's a positive 1. So do I have y is what? Greater than because it's above, equal to because it's solid. What is the one thing I'm missing?
3.
It's a negative slope because this line goes down. Okay, so Daniel, what's my y-intercept for this one? It is negative 3. Jaden, what is my slope for this one?
Slope of
Up 2 over 1, so 2x. Garrett, what is my sign?
Sign would be greater than, or no, less than.
I shaded this way, so would that be bigger or smaller?
No, small.
Smaller, because if you look at your y values go down. So less than or equal to, and it would be y. Those would be your two equations. Callie, what's your problem?
Oh,
Talk right there.
I cannot